na niama nkoye as is expecting or best split NPP party nana.
Only son of who did so a member of the party.
Okay. Okay.
Only the team knows so far me bibia me bibia HSA ABO free party no. Only almost answering himself almost free party no more, they will be very weak, and that will be the beginning of the end of almost BB on betting Abia. Almost answering side in the canon. Party no film china. When you say party no move and our pejano. When I'm party no move and our peja big number china. He's not leaving the party. It was a bad mistake Alan Martin made by leaving the party. Whoever advised on that gave a very bad advice. It was a very bad advice.
Basanka Alan Okoya, would he have made any difference in terms of say winning?
Encore could have been a different thing. One thing say encore could have been a different thing. But still, I know that's what you could move to a party.
Okay. Wow.
What free party is no longer going to be, significant in Ghanaian politics. Some political scientists was talking about personalities and other things. I'm challenging everybody. Alan a free party anymore. You don't know what his political fortunes are going to be. When you're a politics, a time, and a man some year came in a bedroom and I say, a time.
Wow.
Let's see what is going to happen to Alan Chematu. He's fading out. In the Fourth Republic, in Cancer, Aka, Safoni na Omunine free Omu party mu Obeda Samoa, and nothing is going to work for them. It's not going to change in the case of Alan. I don't expect and I would not advise Ken to contemplate so free party mu. He shouldn't. He has invested so heavily in the party himself. He has. Ofimakoi. Ono Omunyadi. And and I think the party should listen to him and pay serious attention to issues always.
Other conspiracy theories, AGD says Alan teaming up with Canadian Agyapong, they will cause a serious political changes over this year's 2024 election. Sana uhuno.
It's an interesting thing. In other countries, it might work. Bibisa Asipen. Benin, Omaya, politics near dynamic, Papa. Politics near dynamic. Individuals, P, ABD, Nkunimsa. I see some elements of conservatism in Ghana. And yet, and ordinary conservatism is simply because of institution building. Young political parties, NPP, maybe free, actually, and be do baby OCCA. I think Akoma party no who some Akoma is not holding the party no pa. NDC Agyapong then a Kwame Nkrumah party CPP na holding a call from the Bresa simply because of one thing: ethnicity. Over MPP a new house a particular ethnic groups ama womo party na too, and to the extent that these ethnic groups are that resilient, the parties remain resilient. And it's the same thing with NDC.